Benvenuti trendsetters, Ferrari. Welcome to Ferrari, the Ferrari gravel ride, which we are starting out the front of the Ferrari Museum with an iconic Ferrari Formula One car encased in this, well, it's called the Ferrari Cube, but for motor enthusiasts, you all know the Ferrari name. It could be the most recognized name in motoring, even if you're not into cars and so on. So unfortunately, we're not going to be touring the museum today, but I'm going to roll around here in Maranello and check out some of the facilities as best I can with my limited access, which is public access like you and me. I really need one of these sculptures in my house. Maratona d'Italia Memorial Enzo Ferrari. If you want to test drive a Ferrari, there's a couple of places here in town who rent them. We are rolling up to the side gate of the Ferrari test track facility. And you can hear there is some operations going on. You saw it first, folks, a white Ferrari, and it's hauling ass. Here we are at the Ferrari factory in Maranello, Italy. Behind this gateway and hallowed walls is the Ferrari facility, often considered a mecca for some. There is the employees' entrance and the turnstile to go inside for a hard day of grafting at Ferrari HQ. You get it all here, folks. Quality cultural content and a look at the Ferrari headquarters from behind the wall here. That's about as close as we're getting. All right. For the cycling nuts out there, this is akin to visiting Campanile headquarters in Vicenza, which I did 2 days ago. Folks, atop the camera frame you can see the Ferrari prancing horse, and they've got their own gas station on site, Shell V-Power, because Shell sponsors the Ferrari F1 team and more. There's a whole lot of construction happening here at Ferrari headquarters, building something. Maybe it's a new parking lot. Ferrari employees naturally wear red. We've seen a few kicking around the place here. There's one bloke right there, he's got his red pants on. A couple of Ferrari employees walking in, they're all wearing the red. We are heading to a couple of gravel roads that shouldn't be too far away from the downtown and the factory, Ferrari factory, here in Maranello. Hey, no problems, eh? No working Ferrari, mate. Riding south, and there's a few gravel roads I have found, so we'll knock out a couple of miles. Not a long ride today. We've been riding a lot of kilometers the past 8 days, no complaints. This route is short, but there is a lot of climbing. The grades are quite steep. So way over that way is the Ferrari factory, headquarters, etc. We are pretty high above Maranello and the beautiful countryside. LGC, this is going to be a very abbreviated ride today. How are your legs feeling?
They're a little bit tired.
Okay, mine too. So we rode one little gravel sector, not much. So this is the recovery day, and the whole point of the video was to show the Ferrari headquarters. So now it's time to descend back into the town of Maranello. Hello again, trendsetters. That wraps up today's Ferrari ride experience video here in Maranello, Italy. Hope you enjoyed tagging along. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the Gravel Cyclist YouTube channel for interesting ride experience videos. And I've got a ton more linked in the description below, including several with my friends at Trek Travel in Tuscany, Primo, No Bull gravel bike reviews, other product reviews, and my favorite, general madness. Yeah. Very good. All right. As all of it is released to the channel, I'll see you LGC, I hope. Yes. In the next video. Arrivederci.